Language Development in Preschoolers by Megan Gregory. Phonological knowledge. This is the knowledge of sound and symbol relations. A preschooler's awareness of phonemes is pretty well developed. Vowel phonemes are often acquired earlier than consonants. Children often manipulate sounds to make new words. Sometimes these are silly words. Preschool children begin to recognize letters that start their names. Semantic knowledge. This is word labels which specify concepts. Preschoolers have an expressive vocabulary of 800 to 1,000 words, and their vocabulary is growing rapidly. Semantic knowledge develops through both experiences and communication. Preschool children often begin to understand figurative language, and children show developing semantic knowledge through stories that they may tell. Syntactic knowledge. This is knowledge of how to combine words to make a sentence. Development is observed through the length of speech. Preschoolers are in the telegraphic speech stage, which is 2 to 3 word utterances. Preschoolers ask why a lot, as they notice that can keep a conversation going. And preschoolers often use the word no to begin an utterance, such as I know hungry instead of I'm not hungry. Morphemic knowledge. This is the knowledge of word structure. During the preschool years, morphemic knowledge is increasing. Knowledge of inflectional morphemes occurs between ages 2 and 4, and derivational morpheme knowledge occurs later on. And research shows that children experimenting with word endings is how morphemic knowledge develops. Pragmatic knowledge. This is how to use language in different settings. Children are using language for more purposes during the preschool years. They may use language to ask permission, express emotions, make judgments, tell jokes, and so forth. Children begin using language different around different people, such as different language at home than they do with their teacher. Evidence of pragmatic knowledge is often seen in dramatic play. Enhancing language development in blocks. In blocks, children are able to describe what they build. Receptive and expressive language is being used in conversations. In this center, the teacher should be present and can ask questions to extend the children's thinking about what they build. Enhancing language development in the drama center. Dramatic play provides many opportunities for language as children are acting out different things. All five aspects of language knowledge are able to be used. In this center, realistic materials should be provided as well as environmental print, and the themes should be changed based off of the children's interests. Enhancing language development in the drawing and writing center. In the drawing and writing center, children can communicate through drawing pictures or printing. Communication on paper first occurs through drawing and then scribbles, letter-like forms, and finally conventional letters. This center should be well stocked with a variety of materials. This can include paper, envelopes, cards, markers, crayons. And the teacher should encourage children to talk about their writing while in this center. Enhancing language development through outdoor play. During outdoor play, there are many opportunities children can have to talk with one another and the teacher. Having a sandbox, a water table, tricycles, and so forth can give children the opportunity to describe what they are experiencing. The teacher can ask questions about the weather, what the sand feels like, what the water feels like, to expand the child's language. Going for nature walks can also enhance a child's language development as they can describe what they see. Routine activities such as arrival and departure are other ways that language development can be enhanced. As children are greeting one another and the teacher, pragmatic knowledge is being enhanced. A child's phonological knowledge is being enhanced as they begin to pronounce their classmates' names. Print recognition can be enhanced as children are able to check in and move their name to a chart. And during departure, children are often talking about art or other items being brought home which can enhance their language development. In conclusion, preschoolers' language knowledge is developing rapidly in all areas, and it is so important to find ways to enhance a child's language development for them to be successful.